This is a Cinema Beats production.
What up? I'm kicking back with the fat blunt. That's all I need in this life to get past all the fake love, the fake hugs and handshakes. My plan breaks, see you hiding in the grass snake. I'm getting tired of all these clowns and fakes. Man, to just grab a motherfucker, see his body break. I can't take it anymore, man, the evil is great. You see me trying to pry the hinges off of heaven's gates. I'm trying to find my way and fucking run this race, but you be all over the place, my nigga skate or break. Nigga, take a step back before you get the wet back like a Mexican jack over hoes from the sack. When you say a lot of shit, you get a hole in your neck. You see your fucking words go overflows of the red, man, I'm all in. Without a doubt, enough said, man, I gotta make the bread like a bakery, man. What's up? I'm all in, man, I'm all in. And then my name here, I'm calling. I'm all in, man, I'm all in. I'm asking God, what's my calling? I said I'm all in, I'm all in. I'm asking God, what's my calling? I said I'm all in, I'm all in. Praying to God, what's my calling? I had to fit 32s, rocking some dirty shoes. Fuzz up in my pocket, no telling what dirty do. This rap shit I do through my head to my feet. And what was in my head, lay it down on the beat. Bitches know my name, lames hate when I speak. But I ain't losing no sleep, cause what I smoke ain't cheap. And neither all the clothes or the food that I eat. Do you know what I mean? Greens fat in my pockets, but I'm skinny in these jeans. Life ain't what it seems. Every day I wake up, still living in the dream. But let me tell you about this nightlife. Big cities and bright lights. Yeah. Heavy sitting right, more haze to get high. You know, the next flight, money pays to get by. Yeah.